Hi there, and welcome to ShoBeaRo. Thanks for joining us. Time for another drawing tutorial. First, here's what you're going to need. A pencil, a pen, an eraser, and something new, a glass jar. Don't forget your paper. Are you ready? Let's draw. Take your jar and trace around it. Now you've created the perfect circle. Draw a line, top to bottom and left to right. Continue drawing the lines until you have created a pizza shape. Now mark in between each line and connect those marks with the top of the line to make a V shape. Continue around the whole circle. When you're done, add smaller V shapes in between the larger shapes. Add the eyes and a big sunny smile. Now you have your summer sun. What next? Let's add legs and arms. Draw a straight line for the legs and then add little teardrops for the feet. Draw the same shape for each arm in any direction you want. For hands, I like to make little hearts. What should be in this hand? How about a nice cool drink for the hot sun? There you go. Now what? What should the sun be wearing? Let's draw swim trunks. Let's draw two curved lines as a waistband, then two longer lines, two short lines. Draw simple ovals to complete the pant legs. Don't forget the middle line. Add whatever designs you would like on the swim trunks. I'm going to add stripes. How about some flip-flops? Just a couple simple lines and we have flip-flops. There you have it, an awesome summer sun in fun swim trunks. Now is my favorite part. Grab your black marker and start tracing. When you get to the swim trunks, only trace the swim trunks, not the bottom portion of the sun. As you can tell, I decided to change the number of stripes on his swim trunks. This is another reason why I always draw in pencil first. Don't forget, like I did, to add your initials and the date for that personal touch. Once the ink has dried, grab your eraser and remove all the pencil marks. Look what we have here. A fun, awesome summer sun. This is great. I love this. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. You keep smiling and stay awesome. Bye!